Coronavirus cases are up once again in the St. Louis region. The Metropolitan Pandemic Task Force held its first briefing in more than 2 months because of the increase in cases.
Fox 2's Zara Barker is live with the latest from the task force. Zara.
Yeah, good afternoon to you, Mandy and Mike. Now, the St. Louis Metro Pandemic Task Force held a briefing today, and they haven't held one in about 2 months. They did announce that cases are rising, but they did want to mention that they're not quite at the level that we saw back in January when we saw that big winter surge. Now, the doctors with the Pandemic Task Force did give an example that if about 5 people have tested positive for the virus, the transmission is so high that that means an additional 6 new people will likely get the virus. Doctors believe the increase in cases will also mean an increase in hospitalizations. Dr. Garza with the task force says the number of cases, though, is likely undercounted. That's because many people are testing at home, and those at-home tests aren't reported. There's 130 people in area hospitals with COVID, 16 in the ICU, 6 people on ventilators. Now, the 7-day average of deaths, though, is still at 0.
Right now, the virus is spreading in the St. Louis region at some rates that are about 5 times higher than they were just 6 weeks ago. And while we're not up to that level that we saw in January during the Omicron surge, the rate is still increasing steadily.
And Dr. Garza made it a point to say it's a personal choice right now to how people should be responding to these increase in cases. He said it's not likely that we're going to see any more mandates coming to the region, but he says to stay home if you're sick, get vaccinated, and wear a mask if you're in high-risk situations. Live from St. Louis, Zara Barker, Fox 2 News.